Ever stared at a giant pile of cash, unsure of the best place to park it? Maybe you're eyeing a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply want to watch your savings grow. That's where Ally Bank, with its enticing interest rates, might catch your eye. But before you dive in, a crucial question: how long will it take for that money to mature and be readily available? Understanding Ally's landscape, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Ally offers a variety of options, from checking accounts to investment products. But today, we're laser-focused on their certificates of deposit, CDs. Think of a CD as a commitment between you and the bank. You lock in your money for a specific term, say 6 months, 3 years, or even 5 years, and in return, Ally promises a fixed interest rate, typically higher than a regular savings account. The maturity mystery solved, 1 to 215. Alright, so you've chosen a shiny new Ally CD. Now, the burning question: when can you access your money with the sweet interest earned? The answer is delightfully straightforward: the maturity date. Ally clearly displays the maturity date when you open your CD. It's like a finish line for your savings race. But here's the thing: life doesn't always follow a perfect timeline. What happens if you need your money before the big maturity day? Early withdrawal, the not-so-sweet fee, 2:15 to 3 o'clock. Let's face it, emergencies pop up. Ally understands that, but there's a catch. Withdrawing your money before maturity comes with an early withdrawal penalty. Ally penalizes you by taking a chunk of your earned interest. The penalty amount depends on the CD term and how early you withdraw. It's like paying a fee to break your savings commitment. Grace period, a 10-day lifeline, 3 to 3:45. Don't despair just yet. Ally throws you a lifeline in the form of a 10-day grace period. This window starts on your maturity date and gives you 10 precious days to decide what to do with your matured CD. Here's your chance to withdraw your funds. Penalty might apply. Need the cash? Go for it, but remember, the early withdrawal penalty might eat into your interest earnings. Renew your CD. Happy with Ally's rates? Renew your CD for another term and keep your money growing. Transfer your funds. Found a better deal elsewhere? You can easily transfer the matured funds to another Ally account or even an external bank account. The takeaway: choosing the right Ally CD term, 3:45 to 4:30. So, how long does your Ally transfer take to mature? It all boils down to the CD term you choose. Ally offers a variety of terms, from a quick 3 months to a commitment-heavy 10 years. The longer the term, the higher the interest rate typically is. But remember, a longer term locks your money away for a longer period. Pro tip: matching your goals with Ally CD terms, 4:30 to 5:15. Here's a golden rule: align your CD term with your financial goals. Need money for a short-term emergency fund? Opt for a shorter-term CD, like 3 months or a year. Saving for a long-term goal like a down payment? A longer-term CD, say 3 to 5 years, might be a good fit. This way, you get a better interest rate while ensuring your money is readily available when you need it. Ally Transfer FAQs, addressing your concerns, 5:15 to 6 o'clock. Let's address some quick Ally Transfer FAQs. Can I transfer funds into my Ally CD after it matures? Absolutely. You have a 10-day grace period to add more funds. What happens if I don't withdraw or renew my CD at maturity? Ally will automatically renew it for a similar term based on their current rates. Beyond Ally CDs, exploring other options, 6 to 6:30. Ally CDs are fantastic, but they're not your only option. Ally offers high-yield savings accounts with some flexibility compared to CDs. You might also consider Ally Invest for other investment options.